Ma'am,
Yes.
you have
Can
give
we do this
homework
at
4 and
yesterday?
5.
One student.
Ma'am, can
Can
I
we do
speak?
this exercise at yesterday?
Ma'am, ma'am, you give homework exercise 4 and 5.
हाँ हाँ.
सैनब मैम आपने ये एक्सरसाइज कल कराई थी.
Yes. Means not yesterday. I think so. हाँ, yesterday only. हाँ. हाँ. So for
Yes,
this
ma'am.
again, you just have to remember name of the places. So here in A, how many places are given? Tenth and ones.
Ma'am, I was not present yesterday.
Okay. So those who don't know name of the places, just remember this. I'm
Ma'am,
showing
I
that
know
video.
places name.
Name of the
Ma'am, I
places.
remember
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am,
Pulsi.
I know Iman Fatima.
That where is the decimal point? Where is the tenth? Where is hundredth?
Ones, tens, hundred,
Sorry, ma'am, I
thousand,
left by mistake.
हाँ, okay. So just remember this, okay? Learn
one,
this. 30 seconds
ten.
you have.
Ma'am, I know.
हाँ हाँ, mute the mic and for 30 seconds, no disturbance. Everyone will learn. Means without speaking. Then we will solve that because that it will be easy if you will learn this. That where is 10th place? Right side of the decimal point, you can see this 10th, 100, and left side all this place, which you already know. And mute the mic, whoever's mic is this.
Stand up, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in that lesson, you only learn that tenses. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000,
हाँ
and lakh, 10 lakh, and crore. So in this,
हाँ
ones, tens, hundred, and thousands is given. And
हाँ.
that,
And this
but
side,
tens and
10th and
hundred, what
100th.
is the meaning of that?
I have already explained, so you watch the video, okay? Previous lecture video, so you will understand.
I was not present.
But you watch the video, previous video means in YouTube video, it is given the link, or we are sending the link. That okay? Yes or no, Iman?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here 10th and ones, that both the place is given. So one's place, and where is the 10th place? Right side or left side? 10th place, huh? 10th, not
Right
10th.
side.
Right side.
Right
Right
side.
side.
And where is the decimal point? Where should I put decimal point?
Left
In
side.
left
Between,
side.
Between.
Yes,
between.
ma'am. Left side and middle.
Between. Between.
Middle.
Middle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Middle and
Then
down.
now, what should I write here? Which digit shall I write here at one's place?
We have to write the.
100.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Here something is written, see in the question, that this digit in this place, this digit in this place. So
It
here
is
which,
ma'am, in one there is four.
4. Ma'am, 4.
Four.
and at 10th place?
Seven.
Okay, good. Okay, now B and C you have to solve. Write the name of the places.
Ma'am, we
Okay?
have to write question also.
No, 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 no. Answers. See if these four
Yes, ma'am.
places they are using. So you have to write that where is the ones, where is the ones, where
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
tens, where is the tenth, hundredth, and there where is the decimal point, and then you have to write that
Yes,
digits.
ma'am.
Okay?
10, 9.
Okay. So four places are there. So solve and then after 30 second again.
Um,
Ma'am, to the chat box is available.
Huh. Solve both, huh? B and C. Then we will discuss. Okay, now let's start. So four places are there you can see.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you have to tell me name of the places. Start telling me from.
10th.
10th,
Okay.
coming 9.
Now you have to tell me first this here. What should I write?
Ones,
9.
9.
9.
Tens, hundred, thousand,
1000.
Oh,
ten
wait.
thousand,
Eh,
No.
Iman. Here thousand and hundred is not there. See, right side of one's which places? You forgot that video.
5.
Which places after one's this side?
after
Tens.
ones, tens, and hundreds.
Tenth. It's tenth.
Yes,
Tenth.
ma'am. Hundred.
And 100.
Yes. And where is the decimal point?
Decimal point.
Means between which
Middle. Middle.
between which places? Which place?
20,
Two.
and
Ma'am, here. Yes, ma'am, here.
zero and 10 middle.
So what
Middle.
should I write here? A tenth place.
5.
9.
No, 9 is for th. See,
5.
tenth.
Ma'am, 5. 5.
Then one's
Then
place.
8. 8.
Then tenth
6. Then 9. 9.
and
Then
hundredth.
6.
Okay, good. Now last answer.
Zainab ma'am,
Yes.
when can I leave?
Yes.
Because
So now these three places are there.
Ones, tens,
Yes. Then after that,
10 and
100.
100.
hundredth. Don't pronounce hundred. It's hundredth.
100.
So now what should I write here?
Ones will come in 5. 5.
In
Then
7.
and 8.
Then 8. And 8.
decimal point.
In
Ma'am, once after.
ma'am, once after in between.
Okay.
Decimal.
Then these 4 and 5 we have already completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So now only 6. Question number 6. This one. So now
Yes,
here
ma'am.
you don't have to see that decimal point. Suppose like this is 15, 16, 17. And what is the question? Give the next 3 number, means after number.
18, 19, 20.
Yes. So after 15, 16, 17, what is the answer?
18, 19, 20.
18, 19, 20.
18, 19 and
19
20.
and 20.
And where should I put decimal point? You can see here where is the decimal point.
Between 1 and 8.
Ma'am, 1 and 8. Between.
Between 1 and 8. Between 1 and
Here
9
between.
and 2
Okay.
and
0.
Okay.
Ma'am, which we have to do?
Means if you already know the answer, you can do before me. So now next question 592, 593, 594. Then next
595, 595, 596, and 597.
597. Ma'am, I want to solve. Ma'am, you will give test.
yes.
597.
Okay, so where should I put point? Decimal point.
5.
After 5.
After 5.
After
5.
After 5.
After 5.
Okay.
In order.
Okay. Now C also I am doing. Then D, E, F you have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
So C.
One shot. 11,
So 118, 119, and 120.
9.
Then
121,
121,
122,
122, 123.
and where is the decimal point? Where should I put?
after 1.
After
After 1 and
See
2.
here.
and between.
After 1 and 2.
After 1 and 2. After between.
12. After 1 and 2. After 12 point.
Yes. You can see here after 11, 11, 12. So here also after 12, 12 and 12. Now other three questions you have to do. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
G, E, and F. So how many minutes? 2 minutes, 3 minutes? 3 minutes. Okay.
1
For
minute.
one.
And 1 minute. Ma'am, 1 minute.
Only
And
1
1
minute.
minute. Yes,
Okay. Let's
1
see.
minute. 1 minute. Yes, ma'am, only 1 minute.
Okay. Let's see.
800. 800.
800.
1 second.
And mute the mic, please, everyone.
And I have one doubt.
800 and plus.
Zainab ma'am,
Yes.
that means the 6 and 0 2. 0 2 means what?
0 to 2 means what? Means
In E.
part.
What's the number? E.
Zero. See, 0.02 means that something is divided into 100 part.
No,
100
I
parts.
mean first E that is 6 and after that point 0 2.
So that's 6.02. So this 02 only I'm explaining. This only I'm explaining. So when something is divided into 100 part, and if you are coloring any two part, if you are talking about two part, so this is two part out of 100 part, no?
Yes.
Two part out of 100. That we are writing like this in decimal.
Ma'am, my work is done, Khadija.
Ma'am, my work
Okay,
is done, Muskan.
good.
Ma'am, my work is done. Ma'am, my work is done, Sheikh Mahdeen. My work is done, Iman Fatima. Start a new.
And write in the chat box after you finish. Because if you will say orally, I will not understand. So write in the chat box as it is available today. And then Mehrin just read their name after they write, no?
Ma'am, can I read?
No, no, Mehrin will
Okay,
read.
ma'am.
And after all, everyone just write, no, then only inform me. If 4, 5, or 6 students write, don't tell me. How many students are there? 15, 16. How many?
17. Ma'am, 15. 15.
15. Huh. So after those 15 students write, now then tell me.
Ma'am, I had also written.
Okay, okay, okay.
Sarah, ma'am, I left by mistake.
Hi, it's okay.
Sana ma'am, I left by mistake.
Hi, it's okay. Marin, how many names you got out of 15 students?
Um, ma'am, 7.
Okay.
7.
Okay, so 1 more minute we will wait. Then let's see how many more names we will get.
And why?
So mute the mic, everyone. Only last one
Ma'am, I
minute.
have one doubt. I write in chat box.
You have doubt? Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Mehrin.
ma'am, I have got 10 names.
Okay. Okay, so one student will say only one. Okay. So Mehrin, tell me the first name. Only one answer, huh? One blank.
Okay, ma'am. Khadija.
Khadija, tell me only after
Second.
7.99 means after 799.
And 8.00.
Very good, excellent. So like Khadija, you can also say where is the decimal point. Now next name, Mehrin.
Yes, ma'am. Muskan.
Muskan, tell me only this blank.
Yes, ma'am. 8.01.
Next name.
Kulsum.
Kulsum, tell me the next after 801.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 minute. 803.
3. After 1, 3.
No, ma'am.
Kulsum will only say after 1, what is the next number after number of 1?
802.
Hmm. And where is the point? Where should I put point? Decimal
8
point.
के बाद 8 के बाद 0 और 2
Okay,
और
good,
बीच में.
good.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Then how you give the answer and why you write your name in the chat box? You just have to tell me the after number. So Kulsum, do you know after number after 799?
Yes, ma'am, I love by mistake.
So tell me the after numbers after
After,
799.
after number, ma'am.
Yes.
8 889.
After 799, 899. After 199, which is the next number? After 199.
190.
After 199.
2 to 9. 2 and 9.
I think so. You first have to learn after numbers. So learn after numbers, okay? At your home means which you have already learned in fourth or third
Yes,
or fourth standard. Then you can ask the doubt to me.
I have 1 days only, then I am going.
So now for next, Mehrin, give me the next name.
Yes, ma'am. Sayeda.
Saida, tell me after this only one blank.
Yes, ma'am. 6.05.
Very good. Next name,
Iman.
Iman.
Ma'am, Iman is not there.
Okay, next name,
Uh, Kasman Ifat.
Ifat say.
6.06.
Very good. Next name,
Umera.
say Umaira.
Zainab, ma'am, I left by mistake.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. 6
Ma'am,
point,
I also left by mistake only
ma'am,
because
Sakina.
6.07.
Very good.
Ma'am, my name. Aksha. Ma'am, my
Wait
name
long.
was not come. Marin, don't take mine.
Hey, your name she said also, but you are not there. Now you can say Iman. After this, one only, one blank.
426.
And where is the point? Here, no?
26 before and
Okay.
4 after.
Next name,
Aksha.
Aksha. Say this next.
Asli. Ma'am, now which exercise after this?
Wait. Iman, you are really. I'm asking to Aksha still. Aksha, are you giving the answer or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer.
4.27.
Very good. Next name.
Ma'am, this many names are there in the chat box.
Okay, so
Ma'am,
last you say Iman.
Ma'am,
Sorry,
can I?
Mehreen. Mehreen will
Yes,
say
ma'am.
Mehreen.
Ma'am,
Mehreen.
can I speak?
ma'am, can I speak?
4.28. 4.20. Ma'am, next exercise.
So now,
Ma'am, your screen is not available.
Arey,
Ma'am,
I have only stop.
Ma'am, only this much exercise are there.
हाँ.
Ma'am, now we will start new chapter.
No, no, no. I want to discuss with you something. Even so many students' turn has not come now that they want to say something. So after a few seconds, they can tell me. They can share. Means those who want to share. Huh?
Ma'am, what?
Wait, wait.
First record.